welcome to Blue Today I will share with you how I pack for my scuba diving trip. Let's go straight into it. This time I am headed to Bohol. It has been almost 5 years since I haven't been there, so I'm very excited to go back to this beautiful island. For me, the first step of packing is writing all the stuff I need to take with me for a scuba diving trip. As you know, there are many equipment to bring with me, so having a list of things to bring makes this process easier. Now, I lay down all the equipment and the rest of the items that I will take with me, and I recheck it with the list. Then it comes the easiest part. Just throw all this into the scuba diving bag. Now I'm ready to go to the airport.